Unleash creativity with our vibrant kids' coloring books. Picture this, a colorful world where your child's imagination can roam free and playfully come alive. Welcome to our magical kids' coloring books. Our coloring books are bursting with captivating illustrations waiting for your child's artistic touch. Each page promises a new adventure. What sets us apart? Each book is meticulously designed to nurture creativity, develop motor skills, and improve concentration in a fun, engaging way. Discover the joy of coloring with our wide variety. From enchanting fairy tales to exciting jungle safari themes, there's an adventure for every child. Watch as your child brings to life whimsical characters, fantastical creatures, and breathtaking landscapes. It's more than just coloring, it's creating memories. Gift your child moments of sheer joy and hours of endless fun. Dive into our vibrant world where every color tells a story. Experience the magic today. Give flight to your child's imagination with our kids' coloring books. Let the colors of creativity shine bright.